heifers. This is going to be a bunch of different days run together. Me and Cornbread have been working on these beavers and working on them. So today we got one where I never expected to. So set anywhere you see them coming in and out. That's all I can tell you. I hate having to sit on the hut, but that was the last resort on this job. We couldn't catch them anywhere else. We are sitting on the hut. I think we got one beaver left. And we are working on them. Hope we are through. Today is Wednesday. I hope we're through by Saturday. Y'all probably see this video on Sunday. Alright, I'll show you what the big monster beaver we caught today. You'll catch these nuisance trapping. What we got there, Cone Ho?
We got a little baby beaver.
Little baby beaver. I knew it wasn't no big beaver over here. Alright, y'all missed the setup over here. Me and Cornbread came over here and set a few traps. Anybody been here very long, y'all seen this place before. I want y'all to look at that monster East Texas beaver. I'm trying to get rain. How y'all like that wind? It's lovely today. Big John, why don't you ever go kayak fishing during the wintertime? I don't know. What you got there, Cornbread?
I don't know, we've been fishing.
Oh, that's old Daddy's sack right there.
This weighs 40 pounds.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Right in the damn center.
I'll go get them. Yeah, Cornbread forgot the setters, y'all. That's a big honking East Texas beaver right there, y'all. Hell, we can't figure out what the hell. He's changed his patterns. We've changed ours. We try to get ahead of him. He stays 4 steps ahead of us. I'm about ready to sit out here and shoot the bastard. No, it ain't but one. Alright, we got this one going. We got another one we gotta go check. And then we're gonna set up another one that y'all seen before because beavers came back before the month was out, and this one's a freebie. I feel like a trapping slut. I'm giving out freebies. And it would be on the furthest one I have to drive to. Pretty damn close to 40-mile round trip. When you get it close to level,
yeah,
this thing go off. Now that needs to come back.
That was pretty good, but now
It's not. I'm telling you, it went off in my goddamn face the other day 3 times. In the water, that's all.
oh, you gotta tighten it up.
I'll give you $100 to stick your hand in.
Hell no, not that one. Well, it's only 2 cold now.
Yeah, but still ain't not latching. Alright, y'all.
How does that so much night latch like that?
Here, let me show you on this one. I'll tell you this.
Put a knife in it. In that.
It's got a little, which is wore off on that one.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the worst fucking thing. Alright, we can go set that one. I don't know if y'all can even see it in there. Little old kit Beaver, little youngin'. It's a dead one, and that's a good thing. Alright, I gotta get reset and get out of here. It's cold. Got down 24 in East Texas. That's pretty damn cold.